Okay, in our final video for Chapter 1, Topic 7, Part 2, actually our last video for the chapter, we are going to talk about writing function rules from word problems. Now, there's this first thing I want to bring up. This says declare your variables. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to decide what we have variables for. So, number 1 says write a function rule to calculate the cost of buying peaches at $1.99 per pound. We have two variables here. We have the cost, so let's use C equals total cost. And then at $1.99 per pound, which we need to know the number of pounds. And I'm just going to call that P. You can call it X. You can call them Y and X. You can call it whatever you want. So, to calculate the cost of buying peaches at $1.99 per pound. Well, I know, like if I need to figure out if I buy 2 pounds, I'm going to do $1.99 times 2. If I buy 10 pounds, I'm going to do $1.99 times 10. So I know what I need to do is $1.99 times the number of pounds. That is my total cost. So there you go, $1.99 a pound. Number 2, a resort charges $100 to rent a cabin plus $15 per person. Write a function to calculate the cost. So we have cost again. Let's start with C equals cost. If a family of 5 is renting a cabin. So family of 5, we know that's what is going to go in for our variable. But let's use P as our number of people. Okay? So when we do this, our total cost, it is 100 plus 15 per person. Okay, so we're going to do 100 plus 15 times the number of people. This particular question says if a family of 5 is renting. So I know all I do is plug 5 in for P. My cost is 100 plus 15 times 5. Order of operations tells me to multiply first. 15 times 5 is 75. And then add the 100. So the total cost is $175. All right, next we need to go to the next slide, which is this problem right here. Write a function rule to calculate the amount of change you would receive. So amount of change, let's do A, is amount of change you would receive from a $50 bill if you were buying items at $4.50 each. Buying items at $4.50 each. So let's say X is our number of items. So this is, I'm going to write my function rule first. Okay, my function rule. The amount of change equals, you would receive from a $50 bill. So I'm going to do 50 minus the amount that I buy. Buying items at $4.50 each. So $4.50 times the number of items. Okay, that's how you do that. Now, if you have 9 items, how much change would you receive if you purchased 9 items? So what I'm going to do is do 50 minus $4.50 times 9. All right, $4.50 times 9 is $40.50. So we have 50 minus $4.50. I would receive $9.50 in change. Okay, so 2 things here. Here's my function rule, and then that's the amount of change I receive if I purchase 9 items. All right, last problem I'm going to do. The monthly cost of your cell phone is $19.99 plus 30 cents per minute. Write an equation to represent the function if C is your monthly bill and N is the number of minutes. So this one I don't have to declare my variables. They're already declared. C is your monthly bill and N is the number of minutes. So the monthly cost, so C is, that's your equal sign, $19.99 plus 30 cents per minute. So I have 30 cents times the number of minutes. And there you go. There's 4, so now you can stop the video. You can go on and do, there are 3 you try questions, so go ahead and do those, and we will discuss in class.